have here the newer MS60B. It's a very popular light. It's what I call it a COB, a COB, meaning right there, the type of diode it has. This is your reflector, and that comes off real easy because you can put on a Bowens mount. So for those that want to do photography, or even in video where you want to put a big old softbox on it, you can put all kinds of things. So a Bowens mount obviously is very universal. It comes with the light, real easy to put on. Simply pull a pin, it goes on. The benefits, that just clicks right in there. This thing comes completely apart in the sense that you get your housing, which is a metal housing. Something important to know, there is no fan, so it just uses heat sink to cool it, but it only weighs like 1.4 pounds, so very light. Again, it is tiny though, so which is cool. It's nice to have smaller fixtures that you can hide in place. This is the bag for it right here. It comes with a battery plate, and it simply uses like a V-mount right here on the handle. And then NPs, still uses the old style NP batteries. They just snap in. You can run off 1 or 2. This is 970s. You can use smaller ones. You do have to add a little cable that goes from here into the back of the light, like that. But let's hook it up here and let's get some power to it, and let's walk through the menus. All right, so I've got this running on AC right now, and one of the things that they pride themselves in, which has taken years to get there, is the high CRI, which means great color reproduction. Now this is a bicolor. You're going to get all the way down to 2700 Kelvin. You've got a little meter here to give you the color temp, and all the way up to 65 Kelvin, 6500 Kelvin. So as you know, that's daylight. Then you've got your meter for your dimmer. Now they have a special type of dimming system which allows you to get down to 1 click. So that means you can really put a small amount of light out. Some of them you can't dim that low. So you can go from 1% to 100%. Fantastic. That's basically the full principle of the light. And I mean, it's bright, so it doesn't have any focus ability, but it's incredibly bright. So you can see why the Bowens mount would come in handy, because you want to put a softbox on this. She puts out some heat. I mean, that COB, it gets warm because it's so powerful. But the fact that you can dim her down all the way to 1% is fantastic. And the other thing that they have for this, there's a button here, so you can go and use an app. It's a 2.4 gigahertz system. You can use the app to control the light, which is always handy if you have it on your phone. That app works with multiple different lights, but it runs the newer MS60 quite well, so that way you can interact with your light on set without having to maybe go over there and touch it on the stand. For the mount, this is plastic. This completely moves any direction that you want. Nice big tie down right here. You're going to put this on a regular baby stand, and you're off to the races. I like the fact that it's nice and light. I like the color of the light. I like the easy readout on the back, and of course, always like to have battery power, and then the big bonus, having the Bowens mount. So very universal, very small, very handy, and very bright.